Hey everyone, I'm Riti from Digit, and today we're at Jaipur at the press briefing of the very new Honor 90, which is the comeback device for this company. And we have with us Mr. Sree Hari here, who's the product manager at the company. So thank you so much for joining us and
Thanks,
answering
Riti.
our questions. Yes. So the very first question I think I have for you is that the Honor 90 is the comeback device, right? So it's a very important device.
Yes.
How do you think this device will resonate with the Indian audiences?
Great question. Thank you for having me here.
Yeah.
See, when we talk about smartphones, a lot of specifications, a lot of components have to come together to build this great smartphone experience for a user. And a smartphone lasts for you, for me, for anyone who's using for 2, 3, 4 years. So it has to continue giving that experience for that time. The Honor 90 was actually built with that thought in mind, to give a consistent premium user experience for as long as the person or the customer who buys it wants to use it. The Honor 90, from back to the front, to the internals, to the display, all across comes with features that truly give you that premium smartphone experience. And also on the software part, with Magic OS 7.1 and Android 13, also bring you that very premium smartphone experience. And we believe that in this sea of smartphones that's available in the market right now, the Honor 90 is going to stand tall with the promises that we are making.
Awesome. Okay, I wanted to ask a question about manufacturing. First of all, will it be manufactured in India, the Honor 90? And if not, what are the future plans of manufacturing in India for Honor as a company?
Okay, so the first phone that we are bringing, which is the Honor 90, we will be getting it from outside. And while we are slowly building our manufacturing capabilities, as you said very correctly, that this is a comeback for us. So as we are coming back, we are slowly building our capability for manufacturing of multiple components and for assembling here. So as that builds up, we will be moving forward with upcoming devices that we will be making in India for Indian customers, and hopefully go from there.
Great. Okay. So in your mind, what are the 3 main USPs of the Honor 90? Just the best of the best.
It's very difficult to narrow it down to just 3 because this phone is fully packed. So I'll start with the design because that's the first thing that stuns you when you take the Honor 90 out of the box. No matter which color you choose, you're going to get a different character, a different feeling of using it. So the diamond silver, which is a jewelry-inspired design, is one of the variants on the Honor 90. It looks great, but it also feels great in the hand. There is embossing on the bottom half, and you'll almost feel that when you hold it in your hands. There's the emerald green, which is becoming a very popular color now, and we've brought a variant of the green called the emerald green. It's matte finish, so it will not catch your fingerprints very easily.
Right.
Again, very easy to hold, very easy to carry around. And of course, the classic midnight black with a very ceramic black look. While all these colors give you different characteristics, different feelings, all 3 phones, all 3 variants are easy to hold, very thin devices. Even with the 5000 mAh battery, these are devices that will be a pleasure to use.
Right.
So that's the design of it. Then, of course, we turn the phone, we flip the phone around, and what we look at is the display. And I believe the Honor 90 has a display that can beat almost any display on the market with some of these key things that it has. It's a quad curved display. We call it a quad curve floating display, which means that it's curved not just from the left and right, it's also curved from the top and bottom. Gives it a very, very seamless look that you've rarely seen on a smartphone. And this sort of gives it a premium look, not just when the device is turned on, but also when the device is turned off. We also have something on the device called the PWM dimming, the 3840 Hz PWM dimming. Now, this is particularly talking about the flicker on the display, right? So, any smartphone display that you look at, it has a particular frequency at which it flickers, but because it's slightly lower frequency, you don't see it with your eyes, but it still hurts your eyes, because when the light is flickering at you, it sort of hurts your eyes, and the longer we use it, especially in low light situations, it really hurts your eyes. We don't realize it now, but soon enough, we will be having slight problems in the eyes. Many people still have strain in their eyes, people who wear glasses as well. Now, most flagships as well on the market come with somewhere around 400 to 500 Hertz PWM dimming, which is in the high risk area, right? Now, because this is a thing that nobody talks about, not a lot of people have focused on this as manufacturers. The Honor 90 though has 3840 Hz PWM dimming, which crosses the low risk area and goes to the zero risk area, right? So the 3840 Hz is almost like a beat me if you can, because at 3840 Hz, it is so far ahead of what's available in any price range in India that this not just helps with your eye care and promotes eye health, but also make sure that for longer hours, for longer years that you use the phone, it still protects you and your eyes. So that's display and design. And one more thing, right?
One more thing.
One more thing. What is one more thing?
I think the camera, right?
The cameras, yes, the cameras. So we have a triple camera at the back, 200 megapixel primary camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide, and a 2 megapixel depth camera. These three cameras together give a brilliant experience. Be it the 200 megapixel ISO cell camera, the camera algorithm that goes behind this, the Honor image engine, has been leading the market when it comes to camera smartphone algorithms and post-processing algorithms. And the output that you'll get out of these cameras is going to be brilliant. The 12 megapixel ultra wide also gives you very high resolution on the ultra wide compared to what you generally get. And on the front, we have a 50 megapixel front camera. Right? And with all this specifications or hardware, we also have brilliant software. We have something called the AI vlog mode, which allows you to shoot really interesting videos for creators to put out very instantly, shoot quick videos and put it out in the market, and let people see what you made.
Definitely. I think one of the features that blew me away, it was you can take certain clips and you can merge them together in a matter of seconds.
Yes, absolutely.
Into like a reel, but that's fantastic. So yeah, I think that was it for the questions I have so far. Thank you so much for joining us. It was a pleasure. And guys, we're going to be talking a lot about the Honor 90 in the coming few weeks. We'll be reviewing the device as well. So be sure to stay tuned and subscribe to us, and we'll see you again. Bye.
Bye.